Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see what is the AnTuTu score of the Vivo Y200. Now to do that, just open the web browser app on your smartphone and on the search bar just search AnTuTu Benchmark APK. Now just open the AnTuTu Benchmark website. Now just tap on download. Now from here just wait for a few seconds for the APK to download. Now from here just tap on open and tap on install. And once you have done that, just tap on open. Now just go to your home screen and open the app drawer. Now as you can see, this is the AnTuTu Benchmark application. Just tap on it. Now just tap on agree and tap on install and test. Now just give this app this permission. Now just tap on get from market. Now just go back and tap on install and test. Now just tap on download. Now just wait for a few seconds for the benchmark test to download. Now from here just tap on settings. Now just enable this toggle and tap on install. Now just tap on open. Now tap on agree and tap on start test. Now it will take some time to finish the AnTuTu benchmark test. Now as you can see, the AnTuTu benchmark has been completed and the AnTuTu benchmark score of the Vivo Y200 is 3,76,676. And this is how you can check the AnTuTu score of the Vivo Y200. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.